Okay, let's unpack this. Today, we're taking a deep dive into crypto analysis,
Yeah.
really trying to get under the hood of market movements.
Yeah, beyond just the headlines.
Exactly. And our source material for this, it's some really insightful excerpts from Technical Analysis and FIT's Weekly Outlook, shared by our good friend, Crypto Infos.
Crypto infos, yeah. What's fascinating here, and what they really hammer home, is how the real action, like people actually buying and selling,
Mm.
that reveals insights you totally miss if you're just, watching the news feeds.
Right. So Crypto Infos makes this pretty bold claim then that technical analysis is basically the most superior form.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Yeah.
Why focus so much on, as they put it, real action?
Well, their view, and it's quite compelling, is that every single candle on the chart tells a story. And they often use those distinctive yellow charts to show it.
The yellow charts, right?
Yeah. Each candle packs in all the info you need. What everyday traders are doing, what the big players, the whales, are up to, and crucially, where that, quote, smart money is moving. Compared to that, news and fundamentals. Crypto Info sees them as, well, mostly flashy headlines. Good clickbait, maybe.
Yeah.
But for making actual trading decisions, they argue it's far less useful. Maybe helpful in tiny, specific instances, but that's about it.
And they also have this interesting kind of psychological observation, right? That most people tend to be bullish at the tops and bearish at the bottoms.
Oh, absolutely. It's classic market psychology, isn't it?
Totally. So what does that tell us? And how do you even fight that feeling?
Well, it tells us about FOMO, fear of missing out when things are flying high, and pure panic when they crash. Everyone feels it.
Sure.
And Crypto Info's take on counteracting it, it leads straight into their pretty direct trading philosophy. It's really quite something.
How so?
It's like this. You can't complain about taking a loss or being stressed by trading. That's what you asked for. No sugarcoating.
Wow. Okay. Blunt.
Yeah. If it's too bad, quit. If it's not, lock in and try harder. It's all about, radical self-responsibility, discipline, recognizing your emotions are often the enemy in trading.
That really cuts to the core, doesn't it? No room for excuses. Okay, let's pivot a bit. Let's look at a practical example from Crypto Infos. The FET analysis, the 1W chart. What's the status there?
Right. The FET weekly, according to their analysis, again, probably on one of those yellow charts, the status is currently bullish.
Bullish. Okay.
Yeah, the observation is that the price is kind of battling a resistance level, but it's within a bigger long-term pattern. And they suggest a, quote, big move is probably coming in the next couple of weeks.
A big move, like a breakout.
Potentially, yeah. A breakout from this current consolidation phase seems to be what they're anticipating.
Interesting. So if that big move happens, does Crypto Infos give any potential targets? Where might it be heading?
They do. They lay out two main scenarios. If it keeps pumping, the first upside target they mention is $1.05.
Okay, $1.05 FET.
But, trading involves risk. So if it gets rejected at this current resistance level,
Right.
then the downside target they've marked is $0.45. So clear levels to watch, both up and down.
Gotcha. So what does this all boil down to for you listening in? We've explored these ideas from Crypto Infos, this strong belief in technical analysis, watching the real action, not just the noise.
Right, the candles telling the story.
Exactly. And that really demanding personal mindset required for trading. No complaints, just hard work.
Which kind of leaves us with a thought, doesn't it? It raises this important question, really. How can you personally apply this kind of disciplined focus, this looking at what people actually do, not just what they say, whether that's in the markets or maybe even just understanding, social dynamics day to day? Think about the discipline it takes to read those charts, to see beyond the easy headlines, something to mull over.